Hello, it's Matt from Newcastle Library. With this month being bird feeding month, I am going to show you how to make some bird food using a list of ingredients and then a yogurt pot on some string. So, first off, the ingredients and what you need. You'll need an empty yogurt pot washed out, a pencil for the hole, some string and some scissors to cut it, as well as your ingredients, which is going to be some lard. You want your lard to be at room temperature for a while so it's nice and soft. This one's been left out all day, so that is fine. I've also got, for the main ingredients, we've got birdseed, oats, non-salted, non-roasted peanuts, grated cheese, and pieces of bread, which can be off bread as well, just to make them sturdier. Okay then, now because my hands are going to be messy, I'm going to start with the non-food stuff, which is making the pot into a bird feeder. So, with a pencil, punch a hole into the top. This is already broken. Oh, that'll do. Might be a bit fiddly. If you need help, ask an adult. But you only want a small hole like that, if you can see it. Next, thread your string. Might need two bigger one. Next, thread your string through the hole, and then you want to tie a knot at the end which will secure it. And then just pull it up and hopefully it should hang like that. Now that bit's done, we will get to the making of the bird feed. First thing I'm going to do is start with the lard. I'm going to use about a third of it to start off with, and then we'll sort out amounts when we get to it. So you want to cut it, and then you want to cut it into smaller bits, and this helps with mixing it. Now, it is quite soft and easy to cut, but obviously do ask an adult for help. Right, now that we've got that in there, we'll put this to one side. Okay, and then we'll start mixing the main ingredients. I'm going to put a handful of birdseed in, a handful of peanuts, a small amount of cheese, probably do another handful as well, and then a small amount of oats. Once everything's in, just mix it up in your hands like so until it all sticks together, including all the lard sticking together as well. Now, make sure to get any gaps that you might have, just to make sure that you get the most out of your ingredients. And then once it's all like so, once it's all stuck together like that, then it should easily be breakable for you to put it into your bird feeder. Okay, so that looks good to me. So we'll just get our bird feeder. Oh, this will get a bit messy. You might want to use some something for the surface of your kitchen. So just break it up like that. And because it's sticky, it should stay in there as well. Because what we're going to do is we're going to put this upside down and hang it off a tray. And the birds can then just feed off that, and it also makes them safe from cats. And a bit more at the top. Don't worry if you don't use all of it. And the other thing is that if it's empty, you go over the pot after you've done it, just wash it out and then use it again. And then hopefully, let's just test that. Brilliant. Now all you need to do now is cut a small piece of the string off and then just tie that onto a twig, on a tray, and the birds can fly up and take little bits at a time. Brilliant. And there we go.